Understanding Gradient Synthesis, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we are going to delve into the fascinating topic of gradient synthesis. This is a term you might come across in fields like digital imaging, computer graphics, or even in advanced discussions about machine learning. Our goal is to make this concept easy to understand, especially for those who are learning English. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the term gradient synthesis into two parts: gradient and synthesis. Gradient, a smooth transition. A gradient refers to a gradual change or transition. In the context of images and graphics, it describes how one color blends into another. This blending is smooth and seamless, without sudden changes. Synthesis, the act of combining. Synthesis is the process of combining different elements to form something new. When we talk about synthesis in digital terms, it often involves merging or creating new data, images, or sounds. Now, let's combine these two concepts. Gradient synthesis in digital imagery is the process of creating a smooth transition between different colors or shades in an image. It's a technique used to add depth, texture, or visual interest. Applications in digital art and design. In digital art and design, gradient synthesis is used to create visually appealing backgrounds, add shading to objects, and enhance the overall aesthetic of a piece. Role in machine learning. In machine learning, particularly in neural networks, gradient synthesis can refer to more complex processes. It involves calculating gradients or changes, which help in training models to make accurate predictions or generate new data. To better understand this concept, let's look at some real-world examples. Example 1. Creating a sunset scene. Imagine creating a digital sunset scene. Gradient synthesis would be used to smoothly transition the colors of the sky from orange to purple, mimicking the natural gradient of a sunset. Example 2. Machine learning algorithms. In machine learning, gradient synthesis might be part of an algorithm that generates new images. For instance, creating a new picture that combines features of several different images. And there you have it. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and application of gradient synthesis. It's a fascinating topic that blends art and technology, and it's exciting to see how it's used in various fields. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Remember, learning is a continuous journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.